All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to actually add someone to the Opportunities tab, and then how to use the Opportunities tab. So we'll use this guy as an example. So for example, if we talk to this guy, he's interested, we'd go ahead, we'd want to add him to the Opportunities tab, depending on where he's at in the sales cycle. So all you would do is you would come down here, you'd click Opportunities, and you'd hit Add. So the first step for me, so you do seller pipeline because he's a seller lead. And then from here, I do either new lead if he said he was interested, but I didn't get a hold of him, or I would do comps needed. If I got my initial call done, I needed to run comps for the second call. So for this example, we'll put new lead, and you can go ahead and assign a lead value. I really don't mess with that, but you definitely can if you like to. And then you just go ahead and you can either assign it to someone, or you can hit add. So we're just going to hit add. So now that we've created an opportunity for him, we're going to go ahead and click here. And so this is the disposition one, but we want to go to the seller one. So you just would click this button, go to seller pipeline, and you'll see there's Richard right there. So all you need to do to move them is you just click and drag, which is super easy. So ideally, if you get the comps done, you get comps completed, you do that second call, you give him the offer, you close them, you do move to closed. So you close them, he's got a signed agreement, everyone's happy. What you would do then is we want to get him out of this pipeline because you're no longer working him and get him into the disposition one. So you just go ahead, you'd click him again, and wait for this to populate, and you change seller pipeline to dispo. And again, you pick the stage. For me, it's a need flyer, so I'd click need flyer, update, and boom. So now he's no longer here. You're going to see he's in the dispo side. Same thing with dispo. You just would move him along whatever your dispo process is, and ideally, you're getting him to closed. And it's as easy as that. This really is a great tool. It really helps you stay organized. It helps you know who your best leads are, and helps you know where the money's at.